Hey guys, I have a new fakie to show you. I got this one directly off Taobao, and I have some real MLPs here just for size comparison. The 4-inch Sapphire Joy and the Fashion Styling size Pink Princess Celestia. So as you can see, this pony is significantly larger than both of them, although I think she's based off the Fashion Styling mold. Her wings are a bit different. I actually like them more because I've always thought they look kind of like awkwardly shaped on the real ones. These ones almost remind me more of G1 wings. Anyway, she may be an alicorn, but she is based on an earth pony. And from her appearance, I'm sure you have guessed that the earth pony she's based on is Applejack. Well, I mean, the hair's right, so that's half of it. And one of the things that made me want this fakie was, instead of just having Applejack's 3-apple symbol or cutie mark, she has like all these weird extra cutie marks, which kind of, when I first saw her, reminded me of like a pony covered in trash. I think just because of the effect of like half an apple, you know, kind of reminding me of the classic apple core like type garbage you'd see in a cartoon. But I think the reason why is because Hasbro had that line of small pop ponies, they were called, that they were like kind of a little miniature assemble your own pony, and they had stickers you could put on. I think these are based on those stickers, and the bootleggers must have just gotten one of those small ponies and been like, oh, that's Applejack's symbol, I guess. Sure, we'll put those on a pony, only on one side though. And the other great feature she has is she actually has a sound function. She's got a little speaker on her belly. So I'm going to press it and hope that she makes her noise. It's kind of unreliable. Sometimes she will, sometimes she won't. So here we go. Oh, also her butt lights up, so look for that, I guess. Yeah, so it's great because at first I was like, oh, she's just playing a little trotting horse sound. Makes total sense. Now she's doing a little horse whinny. Totally makes sense. And then she just breaks into the William Tell Overture, which I guess is kind of horse related because it's most well known for being the theme song of the Lone Ranger who had a horse. It was just still very funny though, to hear her bust that out. I'm gonna play it one more time because how could I not? That's good. Look at that butt. Oh yeah, glowing. Princess Celestia is disgusted.